Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another informative video on the Bingx cryptocurrency exchange. In today's episode, we'll dive deep into the exciting world of funding your Bingx account. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, this video is a must-watch. Get ready to learn all the ins and outs of depositing funds into your Bingx account like a pro. Let's get started. Hello, fans of the cryptocurrency exchange Bingx. Funding your account is an essential step in your crypto trading journey, and Bingx offers multiple convenient options to make this process smooth and hassle-free. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the different methods available for depositing funds into your Bingx account so you can start trading your favorite cryptocurrencies with ease. Cryptocurrency deposits. One of the most popular methods of funding your Bingx account is through cryptocurrency deposits. Bingx supports a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, Tetherust, and many more. To deposit cryptocurrencies into your account, follow these simple steps. A. Log into your Bingx account and navigate to the deposit section. B. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit from the list of available options. C. Copy the unique deposit address or QR code provided for the selected cryptocurrency. D. Transfer the desired amount of cryptocurrency from your external wallet or exchange to the provided deposit address or QR code. E. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will be credited to your Bingx account, typically within a few minutes. It's important to note that Bingx employs advanced security measures to ensure the safety of your funds. Always double-check the deposit address or QR code to prevent any accidental transfers to the wrong address. Fiat currency deposits via third-party payment processors. In addition to cryptocurrency deposits, Bingx also offers the option to deposit fiat currencies such as USD, ROR, GBP, etc. through various third-party payment processors. This feature is particularly useful for traders who prefer to fund their accounts using traditional banking methods. Here's how you can deposit fiat currencies. A. Log into your Bingx account and navigate to the deposit section. B. Select the fiat currency you wish to deposit. E.g., USD, ROR, GBP. C. Choose your preferred payment processor from the available options. D.g., credit, debit card, bank transfer, e-wallet. D. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the payment processor to complete the deposit process. E. Once the payment is processed successfully, the funds will be credited to your Bingx account, typically within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the payment method used. It's important to note that fees and processing times may vary depending on the payment processor and the amount being deposited. Additionally, some payment processors may impose limits on the maximum deposit amount, so it's always a good idea to check their terms and conditions before initiating a deposit. P2P trading peer-to-peer. Bingx also offers a P2P peer-to-peer trading platform, which allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users. This feature can be particularly useful for traders who prefer to fund their accounts using local payment methods or alternative payment options. Here's how you can use the P2P trading platform to fund your Bingx account. A. Log into your Bingx account and navigate to the P2P trading section. B. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. E.g., BTC, ETH, USD. C. Browse through the available offers from other users and choose the one that best suits your preferences, payment method, price, etc. D. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the trade and complete the payment process. E. Once the payment is confirmed and the trade is completed, the purchased cryptocurrency will be credited to your Bingx account, typically within a few minutes. The P2P trading platform on Bingx offers a secure and transparent environment for peer-to-peer transactions with built-in escrow protection and dispute resolution mechanisms to ensure fair and smooth trades. Referral program. Don't forget to use the referral code 911. Bingx also offers an attractive referral program that allows you to earn rewards for inviting new users to the platform. By sharing your unique referral code 911 for Bingx with friends, family, or fellow crypto enthusiasts, you can earn a commission on their trading fees or even receive a bonus in cryptocurrency when they sign up and meet certain trading volume requirements. To take advantage of the referral program, simply log into your Bingx account, navigate to the referral section, and copy your unique referral code 911 for Bingx. Share this code with others, and once they sign up using your referral code and start trading, you'll start earning rewards based on their trading activity. The more people you refer, the more rewards you can potentially earn, making the referral program a great way to earn passive income while introducing others to the world of cryptocurrency trading on Bingx. Funding your Bingx account is a straightforward process with multiple options available to suit your preferences and needs. Whether you choose to deposit cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, or participate in P2P trading, Bingx ensures a secure and user-friendly experience. Don't forget to take advantage of the referral program by sharing your unique referral code 911 for Bingx with others to earn rewards and grow your crypto portfolio. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on Bingx and the world of cryptocurrency trading. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to the Bingx support team, who are always ready to help. Happy trading, and remember, with Bingx, your crypto journey just got a